Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson local self government. Local self government and the lesson cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai. In local self government, in the lesson local self government, we studied features and functions of villages, village panchayat and municipal committee and municipal corporation. So now we are going to revise the lesson and exercise 2. Let us revise. Village panchayat and municipal committee carry out local administration in village and cities respectively. Village panchayat, municipal committee are carry out local administration in village panchayat in village, municipal committees in cities. The head of the village panchayat is called Sarpanch or Pradhan. The head of the village panchayat is called the Sarpanch or Pradhan. Both the village panchayat and municipal committee work towards providing a better living condition for the local people. Village panchayat, municipal committee work towards providing a better living conditions for the local people. Understood, my kids? Okay, now we are going to revise the exercise. Already we solved it, we filled it. Now we are going to revise that one. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Options are maintain, councillor, municipal corporation and sarpanch. A. The head of village panchayat is called the sarpanch. Just we are revised, no kids? The head of the village panchayat is called the sarpanch. B. The member of municipal council are called the councillor. The member of municipal councillor is called the councillors. C. In India, very large cities have municipal corporations in place of municipal committees. D. Having a right to proper facilities goes hand in hand with a duty to maintain. What? Answer is maintain them in good conditions. Having a right to proper facility goes hand in hand with a duty to maintain them in good conditions. Okay kids, here fill in the blanks over. Now we are going to revise the true or false. Already we solved it. We written here it is true, it is false, but just again one time we are going to revise. A. The municipal corporation maintain the sewage system of a large city. Yes, it is the true. Municipal corporation maintain the sewage system of a large city. B. Sarpanch is the head of the village panchayat. Yes, correct. C. The mayor is appointed by the prime minister of the country. False. The mayor is appointed by the prime minister of the country. It is the false. The D. The panchayat must have one woman member. Yes. In that 5 members, the panchayat must have one woman member. Okay. Now we are going to revise the question answers. Name the local government agency set up for the administration of the villages, towns and cities in India. Answer is village means Gram Panchayat. In villages, Gram Panchayat, and in cities, towns, municipal, in towns, municipal committee, and in cities, municipal corporations are the local government agencies set up for the administration of villages, village panchayat, towns, municipal committee, and cities, municipal corporations in India. Question B. What are the different functions of municipal committee? The different functions of a municipal committee are to ensure the cleanliness in the city or town by the proper management of collection and disposal of garbages, setting up public toilets, nutrition and slum improvements, diseases and the epidemic control, etc. Question C. Who pays for the work done by the municipal committee? Answer is the work carried out by the municipal committee is paid for through the taxes paid by the people of the village of that place means that town. Question D. Who are municipal councillor? Answer is the member of the municipal committee. The member of the municipal committee are called the municipal councillor. Understood, kids? Here are local self-government lesson revision over, exercise revision over. Now we are going to revise the lesson cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai. Delhi and Mumbai are the two major metro cities in India. In this lesson, we learned the location of Delhi, location of Mumbai, climate of Delhi and Mumbai, important monuments of Delhi and Mumbai, life of people living in that place means Delhi and Mumbai. Okay, famous personality of Delhi and Mumbai. We have learned lots of things about Delhi and Mumbai. Now we are going to just revise the lesson and revise the exercise. So let us revise. Delhi and Mumbai are major metros in India. Delhi and Mumbai are major metros in India. Delhi has a very rich historical heritage which is seen through its many ancient monuments. Delhi is India's national capital, while Mumbai is regarded as the commercial capital. Both Delhi and Mumbai have numerous places of tourist attraction. Delhi and Mumbai are major metros in India. Delhi and Mumbai both have numerous places of tourist attractions. And Delhi is India's capital. Mumbai is the Maharashtra's capital, while Mumbai is regarded also as its commercial capital. Understood, kids? Okay, now see next exercise revision. We already filled it. Just once time we are going to revise this one. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. A. The experience's intense heat was called Loo. Answer is Loo. The Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. C. Mumbai is named after Mumba Devi. Mumbai is named after Mumba Devi. D. Coal is in place of blank we filled here. Kolis are the original inhabitant of Mumbai. Understood, no kids? Next question. Match the columns. A and B, two columns are there. We matched it already. Diwan-e-Khas, it is meeting hall for the nobles in the Red Fort. Diwan-e-Khas is the meeting hall for the nobles in the Red Fort. Rashtrapati Bhavan, it is the residence of the President of India. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Hanging Garden, it is in Mumbai. Hanging Garden is it in Mumbai. Lotus Temple, it is in Delhi. Lotus Temple, it is in Delhi. Next question, answer the following question. Question A, describe the climate of Delhi. Answer, Delhi has an extreme climate with a very hot summer from early April until July. The city experiences hot dry wind called the Lu. During the summer month, winter in Delhi are bitterly cold, and the winter season in Delhi begins in the mid-December and goes until the mid-February. Next question B. Where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is situated or located on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is the capital of the Maharashtra state. Question C. Name the two personalities belonging to Delhi and Mumbai respectively. Answer. Kiran Bedi, the former IPS officer, and the Shah Rukh Khan, Bollywood star, are the two prominent famous personalities from Delhi. Sachin Tendulkar, a legendary cricketer, and the M.F. Hussain, the famous painter, are two famous personalities from Mumbai. Question D. What is the significance of Amar Jawana Jyoti? Answer is Amar Jawana Jyoti at India Gate on Rajpath is the eternal flame burning in memories of thousands of Indian soldiers who have laid down their beloved motherland. Understood, no kids? Amar Jawana Jyoti is at India Gate. Amar Jawana Jyoti at India Gate on Rajpath is an eternal flame burning in the memory of thousands of Indian soldiers who have laid down their beloved motherland. Next question. Question number 4. Name the following places. A. Places of religious significance in Mumbai. Siddhivinayak Temple, Haji Ali. B. The garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Mughal garden. C. The hot winds blowing over Delhi in summer is called the Lu. D. The sea along the city of Mumbai, the Arabian Sea. The sea along the city of Mumbai is the Arabian Sea. Understood, kids? Here are both lessons, the local self-government and cities of India, Delhi and Mumbai revision over. Today's your homework is you read the both lesson, exercise 2 and by head the question answers. Thank you for watching the video.